everyone, the given question is from Optics, JEE Advanced 2019, paper 1. The question goes like this. A thin convex lens is made of two materials with refractive indexes N1 and N2 as shown in the figure. The radius of curvature of the left and the right spherical surfaces are equal. Okay, that's F. Okay, F is the focal length of the lens when N1 is equals to N2 equals to N. The focal length is F plus delta F when N1 is equals to N and N2 is equals to N plus delta F. Assuming delta N much less than N minus 1 and this is N, this implies delta N is almost 0. So the correct statements are, right? So first let's calculate 1 by F. It will be equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R to minus of minus 1 by R, which is equal to 2 times of N minus 1 by R, which is equals to F. And this implies your R is, this is not equal to F, sorry, this is equal to 1 by F. So this implies your R is equals to 2F into N minus 1. Okay, we'll need this. Next we have 1 by F equivalent, the new focal length, that will be equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R minus 0 plus N plus delta N minus 1 into 0 minus of minus 1 by, that is 1 by R. Okay, so this will be 2 times of N minus 1 by R plus delta N. Now substituting the value of R, we get 1 by F equivalent, which is equal to 1 by F plus delta F, to be equal to 1 by F plus delta N 2F into N minus 1. Okay, so this implies that 1 by F plus delta F minus 1 by F is equals to delta N by 2F into N minus 1. This implies that minus of delta F by F into F plus delta F is equals to delta N by 2F into N minus 1. F and F gets cancelled. Okay, right. Now what is the question? Delta F by F is less than delta N by N. Okay, minus delta F by F will be equal to delta N by N minus 1 into F plus delta F by F. Right. Now F is equals to R by 2N minus 1. No? So what is delta F? First let's calculate that, then we'll divide it by 2. Okay, so let's take this out. Then minus delta F minus delta N by N minus 1 into delta F is equals to delta N F by N minus 1. Okay, then we take delta F common, then minus delta F common, then 1 plus delta N by N minus 1. Okay, this is equal to delta N F by N minus 1. So we have minus delta F by F equals to delta N by N minus 1 plus delta. Okay, right. Delta N is much less than N minus 1. It is given, so we can write this as delta N by N minus 1. That is what minus delta F by F is. Okay, so if they're asking about magnitude, so delta F by F is delta n by n minus 1, and that is actually greater than delta n by n. Is obvious, it's obvious, right? So because delta n by n minus 1 is obviously greater than delta n. This is equal to delta f by f. So this option is wrong. Sorry, it's wrong. This option is wrong. Okay. This option is wrong. For n is equals to 1.5, delta n is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 and f is equals to 20, the value of delta f will be 0.02 centimeters. Okay, so we have n is equals to 1.5. We have the formula, n is equals to 1.5. Okay, delta n is equals to 10 to the power minus 3. And f is equal to 20. So this is basically 10 to the power minus 3 upon 0.5, okay, which is into 2, 20. It is a delta f, so it is 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeters. That implies delta f is equals to 0.04 centimeters, which is wrong, right? It says option 2 is wrong. Next, if delta n by n is less than 0, delta f by f is greater than 0. This is true, because if this guy is less than 0, okay, that means it's negative. And if we subtract one more from the negative side, it's like it's only n is between 1 to 2, right? Where did it go? N is between 1 to 2, so n minus 1 will always be positive. Okay, so if delta n by n is negative, delta n by n minus 1 is also negative, which implies delta f by f will be positive from this equation. So we can say that this is true. The relation of delta f by delta n by n remains unchanged if both the convex surfaces are replaced by concave surfaces of same radius of curvature. If they were replaced by concave surface, I know this will be minus, like the focal length will become negative. Right here it will become negative, enough. So this will also be negative. It will be minus 2 and minus 1. As we will get radius to be minus, and again this will be minus, this will be minus. So this whole will become minus. I mean so basically the modulus should not change, okay, but the direction, it will change, okay. It may be delta n also changes if you want, right? So yeah, it will change, so only option C is right. Thank you.